lift the CRV in the snow. Start right up. Cold ain't hurting this puppy. With the lights. Bright lights, baby. Really bright lights. Nice and warm. Got the nice new radio in the CRV. Best SUV ever made. We got a winter wonderland. No problem for the CRV. Nice. CRV. Driving CRV in a whiteout, having no problems. Almost 1 o'clock in the morning. Got a nice snowfall. Coming good. You know what I mean? Yeah. You don't even know where the street is now. There it is. Awesome in the snow. These big new tires, having no issues.
Especially after this snow.
You'd be stuck in the snow drift. CRV can handle a blizzard any day. Woohoo! Nice. CRV has no problem in the snow.
Is that cool?
Yeah, the CRV is working great. Look at that. You're making the first tracks on the road. How's she feel? Solid?
I mean, first time me driving.
We got these nice big tires on here.
You got grip.
You got grip. Sweet.